Nursery. This is me, teacher Ale. You're fine? Yes. Look at this. Mr. Hippo. Hello, Mr. Hippo. Hello, students. Hello. Hello. Vamos lá? Let's go. Today, we're going to talk about shapes. Hoje, nós vamos falar sobre as shapes, sobre as formas geométricas. Let's go. Vamos lá? Look at this. A teacher separou alguns flashcards das shapes. Vamos lá, vamos ver. Essa daqui é a primeira shape. This is the first shape. What can you see? A circle. Yes, a circle. Vamos ouvir? Let's listen.
Big circle.
Circle, big circle.
Big circle.
Yes, it's a big circle. Circle, circle. It is a big circle. Yes, amazing. And this, what is that? Que shape é essa? Você sabe? Do you know? Vamos ouvir? Let's listen.
Big square.
Big square. It's a square. It's square. Yes. Let's listen again. Vamos ouvir novamente.
Big square.
Big square. Yes, it's a big square. Okay?
Big square.
Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Square. Yes. And now, what is that? What is it? O que é isso? It's a triangle. Slide, slide, triangle. It's a triangle.
Big triangle.
Triangle. Yes, it's a big triangle. Yes? Amazing. Good. Repeat. Triangle. Repeat, Mr. Hippo. Triangle. Yes. Agora, vamos ouvir uma música bem legal sobre as shapes? Let's listen song. Vamos lá, hein?
Circle, round and round. Circle, round and round.
Stone, square.
Stone, here and there. Square, stones here and there.
Slide, triangle.
Triangle,
Slide, left and right.
triangle, slide left and right.
Point, diamond. Diamond. Point your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond. Point 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake, star.
Star.
Twinkle, little star. Shake your hands. Twinkle, little star. Shake your hands. Chew, heart. Heart. Give a kiss. Heart. Chew, I love you.
Yes, you like it? Amazing! Bom, a teacher espera que vocês tenham gostado da nossa aula de hoje. Let's say goodbye, Nursery! Bye-bye! Let's say goodbye to Mr. Hippo. Bye-bye, Mr. Hippo! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!